Morning, boys. I'm headed down to the river right now. One of my old haunts. Water looks good. Oh yeah, looks real good. Oh wow, look at this. We got ourselves a campsite. This is a little sneaky spot where you can find trout in the summertime. Look at this. Cold spring. Come right out of the ground. The trout like to hang out right here in front of this spring. They group up in there. A whole school of them. What is that? Little baby brown. Alright. Well, skunk is off, boys. That's a pretty sad first fish, though. I don't even know how they do that. How do they get all the hooks like that? Little baby brown. And he's out of here. Oh, big brown. A pickerel. I got a pick.
Yeah, I forgot there's pickerel in here too.
Thought it was a brown for a sec.
That's a nice pickerel.
Little pick. That's funny. I think that's my first pick. He came out and crushed it, dude.
That's a pretty big pickerel.
Nah.
I think that's a big pickerel.
No.
Average?
That's a little one.
I don't know. I caught a few in the canal and they were
Dude, I'm not trying to get hooked, buddy.
smaller than that.
Look at that little pick on a jerkbait.
Huh.
Oh, dude. I thought it was a brown just because of the shape.
Dude, that'd be a big brown.
It would be a big brown.
18?
Yeah. And he just hooked me.
That's a decent pickerel, but
Yeah.
I'd be happy with that.
Nice little pick. He came out and crushed it, bro. He was over in there in the shade. Sending him back, boys.
Gone.
He's all right.
Gone.
That's kind of cool. I totally thought it was a brown though.
Dude, that would.
And then I wasn't sure what I was looking at. Like, what the heck? Dude, he came out right away. Crappie?
Yup. Crap in there.
What? Little black crappie.
Yeah, not bad size.
Yeah. Nice. I guess it's a multi-species.
That's a good eater.
Yeah.
All right,
It's a multi-species day. What do we got? A full fish, a brown, a pick, and a crappie. That's funny. Do I have a fish? I do. Wow. Look at that little guy. Little smallmouth. That's so funny. Jesus. There's so many trout in here, but they're just not biting. Speak of the devil. Little brown. That's funny. Pale little brown there. Let's get him unhooked. Get him back. He choked it. Jeez. Little guy. Send him back.